Cut off the toe section of a white sock, stuff it tightly with cotton filling, and tie the top closed with a rubber band. Cut the top section of a red sock for the hat and place it over the filled white sock. Tie the hat closed for the snowman's head. Cut a strip of red fabric for the scarf and tie it around the neck. Finally, glue on googly eyes and a carrot nose to finish your adorable cotton stuffing in a napkin. Gather it up and secure it with a string to form a round head. Repeat this 2 more times to create a 3-segmented body for your snowman. Trim the excess fabric from the bottom with scissors. Add a tiny Santa hat, a carrot nose, and a cozy red scarf. Fold a red card vase. Glue down a green rectangle, then a yellow circle for the face. Add a red paper pocket for the jacket. Cut out a Santa hat and a fluffy beard. Cut a Christmas tree shape and glue the 2 halves onto the center fold of the card. Top the tree with a bright yellow star. Paint a pine cone completely green to turn it into a tiny Christmas tree. Glue the pine cone onto a decorative wood base. Add a glitter star at the top, then place red and white pom-pom ornaments all around. Your cute mini Christmas tree is ready. Into a cone for the tree base. Shape pipe cleaners into tiny loops. Glue them around the cone, layer by layer, in rainbow colors. Add a star to the top for colorful Christmas decoration. And your colorful and easy Christmas tree is ready. Paper, fold it diagonally, then fold the top point down. Fold up the bottom edge to form Santa's white beard. Fold the top red flap down for the hat and add a white pom-pom. Take a square piece of paper and fold it to create diagonal creases. Fold the square in half, then bring the side corners to the center crease to form a diamond shape. Trim the top point to make a clean triangle. Make small, evenly spaced horizontal cuts down both sides. Fold and cut a smaller piece for the trunk. Glue the tree and trunk pieces together. Make this stunning, intricate 3D paper snowflake for your holiday decor. Start with a square piece of paper, folded multiple times into a cone. Cut thin, parallel slits along the side, being careful not to cut all the way through. Unfold it and weave the innermost strips together. Ready to make this stunning 3D paper Christmas tree? Start with a piece of green paper, fold it in half. Draw a tree shape and those horizontal cutting lines. Cut along your lines, including the star at the top. Unfold and carefully fold the cut sections back to pop out the dimension-colored tissue paper in a green ombre pattern for a cool effect. Use a tool to add texture, or use that green shape as your base. Now, the fun part. Pinch and glue pieces of tissue paper all over your tree. Add a yellow star and colorful dot ornaments to complete your festive card. Earbud snowflake. First, arrange earbuds into a 6-point star. Then, glue small earbuds onto each arm. Wrap the whole shape with fluffy white yarn. Trim the ends, and your cozy snowflake is ready. Roll a red clay ball for the body and a pink one for the head. Shape small arms, hands, and legs. Add a red hat, a white brim, and a fluffy white beard and mustache. Use a tool to create texture on the beard. Add a nose, black buttons, and draw on the eyes. Clay to form 2 small balls for a snowman. Add a hat, scarf, eyes, and buttons. Cut a small paper Christmas tree. Glue the snowman and tree. Add crushed foam snow into the cup. Close the lid. Make a hole and blow air from straw. First, secure a little stick in a base for your trunk. Roll a paper cone to shape the branches. Now, roll out small balls of green clay. Press and layer them onto the cone, building your tree from the bottom up. Carefully peel the finished tree off the cone. Place it on the trunk and add a yellow star topper. Finish with a friendly little snowman. Start by drawing and cutting a circle from yellow paper. Take a piece of string and thread a bead or small bell onto the end. Roll the paper into a cone. Secure the edges with glue, and attach the bead string inside to act as the cardboard circle base. Glue a small branch upright. Cover the base with white clay to create a snowy ground effect. Tie a string swing onto the branch. Place the snowman on the swing and the Santa on the snowy ground. Watch the snow fall on your festive winter scene. Grab a white balloon and secure a small marble inside with a rubber band. Inflate it just enough to form a neat egg shape. Add fun googly eyes, a red ribbon for a scarf, and a cute carrot nose. Stick on some button details. Give him twig arms and a tiny Santa hat. Shape white clay into a soft, snowy hill. Add a brown trunk, then start layering your tree with green clay balls. Overlap and press the green pieces down to create a full, beautiful tree. Top it off with a star from cardboard. Glue small pieces of green yarn onto the top section. Cover the whole tree with green and use brown for the little trunk. Time to decorate.